Hello everyone. This video today is to show you the workflow of my Wacaco Picopresso using the upgraded accessories that I got for it. These accessories are from the Post-Millenium Pavoni series. So the beans that I am using today are from a company called Reprise Coffee Roasters. And this company is out of Evanston, Illinois. The bag here says Black Note, which is a great bean that they make, but the ones that I'm actually using coming out of the bag and in the video are called Bolder the Wiser, and they're their most darkest roast that they offer, and I feel like it makes a great bean for espresso. This grinder here is the Timemore Chestnut X grinder. I was an early Kickstarter backer for this grinder, and it has micro adjustments on it, and it really makes a great quality grind. Takes a little bit of time, but really quality grind. Here I'm just showing an up-close view for you that when you use the upgraded extra large portafilter basket, the 20 gram Post-Millenium Pavoni IMS basket, the lip on it is slightly larger and thicker than the stock basket, and as a result you get that little bit of gap there. It has no effect on the pressure or the extraction, but just something to take note. After I have preheated my whole system, generally I'll heat the water right off a boil, put everything together, run the water through it, get everything nice and clean, and warm up the system. Then while I'm letting it sit, while it's preheating, I'm grinding my espresso beans. Then I take everything out, dry everything off, and then start my puck preparation. And so the first thing to notice is that the funnel that comes with the system, the stock funnel, does just barely fit on this Pavoni IMS portafilter basket. Next, I'll take my WDT tool. Now, the Picopress does come with one. It's really tiny, and it works, and it fits inside the system. But when I'm at work, I just want something a little bit better quality, something that's a little bit faster and easier to control. And this little 3D printed model with acupuncture needles definitely does the trick, and it makes a nice fluffy bed. So next thing I'll do is I purchased the Pavoni leveler / redistribution tool, and I got all of these accessories, these Pavoni accessories, through BPlus in Taiwan. And this Pavoni leveler, again, this is all the Post-Millenium, so everything fits like a glove. It's depth adjustable, so I can, unscrew the top and the base and adjust it. And I will adjust it depending on what kind of portafilter basket I'm using. It has a nice weight to it, and it really works well. Everything's machined really great, and the tolerances are perfect. So I just find that this makes a nice flat bed. And then next what I'll do is I got the Pavoni Tamper. Again, everything is the Post-Millenium series. All the tolerances are correct for everything together. And this thing is really hefty. It's really well made, and it has a nice weight to it. I won't really have to use a lot of weight on this. I generally just use this little finger tamp method, so I'll place the tamper. It is quite heavy, so I don't have to do much work. And I just do a really nice light tamp using my fingers on either side of the tamper, and that does the trick for me. So then next after that goes the puck screen. And as you can see, using the gravity test, nothing's coming out of that basket. It's quite nice. So this BPlus puck screen helps redistribute the water better over the bed. It also makes for cleanup a lot nicer and easier. I just love this puck screen. I got, earlier on, I got a cheapie off of Amazon, and it is not nearly as nice as this. And again, the tolerances are perfect, so you're not gonna get any kind of spillage over the edges and get channeling issues. It's really, really greatly well made. So everything then fits into the basket, and I used the gasket that goes on top. Screw that all together at the bottom of the Picopresso here. And since it does take 20 grams, I try to fill the water as high as I possibly can without spilling over. And this other accessory that you're seeing in the video here is the leather sleeve that goes over the Picopresso. I got this off of Etsy from a guy in Vietnam who makes these for these devices. Next, what I'm doing is I'm doing my pre-infusion. So generally I do about 10 to 12 pumps, and when I first start seeing a couple drips, I know we're good. I hold off for about 20-ish or seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, depending. And then after that, I start building up the pressure. Now, please pardon me for the extremely bad cinematography here, because I was trying to hold my phone to try to get underneath the portafilter as best I could so you could see the extraction while trying to build pressure with my other hand. That is very difficult. So I think at some point in this video, I hold the phone with my forehead and use my other hand to hold it more steady, just to get that going. One tiny thing that I have noticed is that with the IMS La Pavoni portafilter basket, sometimes I don't get a concentrated single drip coming from the center, whereas with the stock I do. I'm still playing around with it. It still makes fantastic shots, but something I have noticed. After that, my milk should be ready at this point. I'll do the tap and swirl to try to knock the bubbles down, transfer it into a separate latte art pitcher. I don't get the best results with latte art from this frother because there's just too much air and you don't get the true cavitation of a steam wand. But for work, it does the job, and it makes a really tasty latte slash cappuccino for me at work. So there you go. These are all the accessories, the upgraded accessories that I've done for my Wacaco Picopresso. These are the Post-Millenium La Pavoni line of accessories, and I personally got all of these from BPlus in Taiwan. So I hope that helps you guys out, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment, and I'll try to get back to you. So hopefully that helps. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye.